Hello stock stalkers, welcome back. In Friday's session, we saw aggressive selling in both the markets purely because of geopolitical tensions. USA market was down, Asian market was also down, also crypto world took the effect of it. But let me tell you, before Monday, if there is no positive developments in the geopolitical situations, then definitely market will again decline aggressively. Let's look at the chart. I am on the weekly chart of DFM market index. We can see good rally from 3975 onwards. After this chart pattern breakout, we are seeing continuous green candles. It means market was positive for more than a month. Last weekly closing indicates it has taken a pause around 4240. If you are watching my analysis regularly, I have been mentioning if at all any market or any stocks continuously moves to the upside aggressively, we may see decline as well aggressively. And this was the right time due to the geopolitical situations. Investors and traders got an excuse to offload their quantities. We are seeing aggressive selling in Friday's session. Well, if you ask me if the market has turned bearish from bullish mode, no. We are seeing continuous upside momentum, so definitely this is a pause candle or a correction candle. From here, there are still chances it may continue to the upside. But on the weekly chart, yes, we are seeing some weakness as of now. Market has retested 4200 points. Let's go to the daily and see how the chart is looking. And here we can clearly see a decline right from the resistance zone, that is 4320 points. Strong rally to the upside as I had already identified support zones for you. Check this out. Market broke 4240, that was immediate support. Next support was between 4200 and 4188 points. Check this out, how beautifully market retested or touched this zone, and from here it bounced up to close at 4237. So on the daily chart we are seeing some weakness, but this should not be considered as a downtrend. Market is still in an uptrend. As of now, it's going through a correction. Now the big question is, how long will this correction last? Or will this correction turn into bearish mode? For now, we can see market is here at 4200 area. If at all this zone is broken, it can come down till about 4140. It can come down till about 4140. And even if this zone is broken, then the last resort or support area is at 4080 points. Hopefully market does not come this low. Looking at global scenarios, there are very good chances we may see aggressive selling coming week. So plan your positions accordingly. Let's look at the positive side. If at all there is any positive development over the week, if at all geopolitical situations calm down, then there are good chances market may break the resistance of 4310 and it can even hit 4360 in coming days. Overall, DFM market index is still positive, but due to global tensions, we are seeing negativity in the market. Otherwise, most of the stocks were trending up. We made good money last week. This is the weekly chart of ADX market index, that is Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange. Clear-cut rejection of 9400 points. Check this out. Rally started from 8700 points. On the way up, it took a pause at 8975, which was healthy, and from here it continued its rally to the upside. Market tried to break out and close above 9400. Clearly market rejected this zone. It means market is not yet ready for this area. Coming week, if at all market breaks 9240 points, then there are very good chances it will try and visit 9160. If this does not hold, then it can come down to revisit 9000 points. I hope that does not happen. Market tries to stabilize above 9245, and then once things are better, we will see a closing above 9400, so that market can visit 9560 points. On the weekly chart, yes, we are seeing some negativity. Overall, still trend is to the positive side. Let's go down to daily and see how the chart is looking. And this is the daily chart. Beautifully, market rejected 9400 points. Right at this candle, I had mentioned that there are chances we may see decline in ADX market index, and this is exactly what we are seeing. Very next day, it printed a red candle, giving us another confirmation that market is not yet ready for 9400 points. Next day, when it made a pause candle, this was an indication that market is dicey, and I had mentioned there are two scenarios. Either it may make aggressive momentum to the upside, break out 9400, or it can come down aggressively. This is the place where we got negative news about the geopolitical situations and market reacted accordingly. For now, 9,280 is holding, but there are chances market may come down aggressively due to the current scenarios. So please mark the zones on your chart. We have support at 9,245 and then 9,160 points. Overall, ADX market is still positive. It's going through a correction, which is fine, but it should not go below 9,245 points. One of the heavy weighted stock in Dubai stock market is Emaar Properties. This is the daily chart. Right from this zone, that is 8.00, I have been recommending this zone is good for entry. From here, our target of 8.26 was hit, next target 8.45, and our final target of 8.75 was hit also. From here, it went up till about 9.11. We did not take any entries here. If at all our target is achieved, we should not be greedy. We have been taking profits all the way up. So if you miss this move, you should not be disappointed. We can only take re-entry once the resistance is broken, and if it comes down for a retest after a successful buying into the demand zone, that's when we can plan our entries. Look at the scenario what happened right at the top, that is 9.11 to 9.10. Many investors and traders have entered into this zone. Obviously they are in losses as of now, but market gave us an indication very next day itself that it's not ready to go any higher. How is that? Check out. Last closing was here at 9.05. Very next day it opened at 8.99. It created this gap, clearly indicating sellers were more aggressive, buyers were not ready to buy at the last closing price. And from here we are seeing aggressive selling pressure. Check this out, something very important to learn. Previously this zone, that is 8.75, was resistance. Market broke past, it came down, but it did not respect the same zone. It respected in other way, in negative way. It broke the support, that is at 8.75. Very next day when it wanted to break out and go above 8.75, market rejected it. Here is the rejection candle. That particular day it went up till about 8.55. We saw sellers were aggressive. It closed at 8.60. Very next day it opened with a gap down. Obviously this was due to the global scenarios, and from here we saw selling pressure in Emaar Properties. Low was at about 8.33, closing is at 8.39. So what can happen from here? As I just mentioned, if at all there is no positive development till Monday, then we will see again it may open with a gap down. Strong area of support is between 8.20 to 8.25. Let me tell you something guys, if at all there is a negative situation in the market similar to what we are going through as of now, nothing will work. Neither your technical analysis, neither your fundamental or any other study, because people are in panic. They want to save their money. They are just offloading their positions. So this area also may not be respected. Till the time this storm settles, you should not plan any entries in the market. If you try to catch the falling knife, maybe check this out. Before price was at 9.11 area. When it came till about 8.90, you must have thought, okay, now I'm getting a good price. Let me take position. Check this out what happened here. Again, some retail investors must be thinking previously price was around 9.10. Now I'm getting at 8.60 area. Let me enter. Again market drops. So if you try to catch the falling knife in a downtrend or when people are aggressively selling, you will be in losses. So better to avoid it. If the share price is coming down, it's good. We will get it at lower prices. Before the price was at 9.10 zone. It may come down, establish a base here. Once we get a bullish confirmation, a bullish buy signal, that's when we can pull our triggers. For now, if at all you buy at any zone, you will be in losses. I hope this was helpful. Hit the like button if you understood this strategy. Subscribe for free daily updates on Dubai and Abu Dhabi stock market. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.